Hello! Today we are going to make hot cross buns in Songmaker. First, what you want to do is open up the Songmaker website. I provided that link for you in Google Classroom. Here it is, Songmaker in all of its glory. All right, so we're going to go ahead and look at the first step. The first step is to make a 4-measure loop. Basically, we're making a beat for ourselves to guide us through. Okay, so first when you look at Songmaker, you see square, the white square, and then you see a gray square, white, and then gray. So that's measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, and measure 4. So down here in the bottom left-hand corner, I'm starting in measure 1, and I'm doing my kick drum, which is the circle shape, okay? And then, so these two together make up one beat. And then I'm going to skip a beat. And then I'm going to do another one here. Skip, do another one here. So basically you'll see I am putting the kick drum on beats 3 and 1. Beat 1 and beat 3. Okay, let's listen to that. All right, that's sounding okay, but it needs a little more life to it. So what I'm going to do is add a snare. So I'm going to skip beat 1 and put this into beat 2 and beat 4. So basically the first box of the beats that I didn't fill in yet. So skipping, putting it in, skip, put it in, skip, put it in, skip, put it in. Let's listen to make sure I didn't skip anything. It's a nice little groove there. Okay, I like it. So I want you to pause this video, but make sure you come back. Pause the video, do this part, make sure everything's correct, and then come back to me. Oh, welcome back. So now we're going to go to step 2. Step 2 is we're going to slide the tempo to 80. Okay, so here I am. This is my tempo. I'm going to take this little ball and slide it down. I can also just double click the number and put it to 82 if I'm having a hard time like that. I can just type in 80 there and then press enter or click outside. Okay, so there I am. I've moved it to 80. Let's see what that does. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. I could sing to that. Alrighty, so there we go. I did that step. Let's check out step 3. They want me to insert my pitches. All right, this is where it starts to get fun. So I can just click and drag and see all my options here. Now, if you remember when you played this song on recorder, the first note was most likely a B here. Okay, so I'm going to click the pink one for B. I'm going to do 2 for my first beat. And then I'm going to do A, and then 2 for G. And then there's a rest. And then I'm going to come back again in the gray box. B, A, G. And then I've got a rest. And the next part is, do you remember what the next part is? Something about a penny. Yeah, that one a penny part, right? So we're starting on G here. We're going to fill up two beats here. And then go to the A, fill up 2 beats there, which is 4 boxes altogether. And then we're going to go back and do what we did in the first box, which is 2 B's, 2 A's, and 2 G's, and then it's a rest, rest. All right, let's see if we did that right. I'm going to press play. Ooh, that's sounding good. I like that. Okay, so pause here and get this part going. Make sure you fill in all the boxes correctly and come back to me when you're ready. All right, let's go ahead. Welcome back. Let's go to step 4. We're going to sing along with the pitches. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is press play and just let the first loop roll by while I get ready. Can clear my throat. Do what I need to do. La la la. Get myself ready. 1, 2, here I go. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Okay, so I'm going to practice that a couple times until I get really comfortable. I want to make sure that I'm following the notes as they're lighting up. Do you see how it lights up and shows you where you are? Make sure that your voice is right on beat. Okay? All right. Final step. We are going to record this on Flipgrid. Okay? So I provided a link for you on Flipgrid that you can click, or if you're seeing this video after the fact, you can just, record yourself with a different device. But for now, go to Flipgrid, the link that I provided in your Google Classroom, click that and record yourself singing and playing this song. Now you might have to practice, right? Because that's what it's all about, is practicing, restarting, and practicing again until it sounds nice. I look forward to seeing your submission.